Garbage collection is a process in computer programming languages that automatically identifies and reclaims memory occupied by objects that are no longer in use or reachable by the program. The purpose of garbage collection is to manage memory efficiently, preventing memory leaks and reducing the burden on developers to manually free up memory. Here are some key concepts related to garbage collection. Automatic memory management. Garbage collection is a form of automatic memory management. Instead of requiring developers to explicitly allocate and deallocate memory, the runtime system automatically identifies and reclaims memory that is no longer needed. Object. Reachability. Garbage collectors determine the reachability of objects by tracing references from roots, such as global variables, local variables, and static variables, to other objects. Objects that are not reachable from the roots are considered unreachable and are eligible for collection. Types of garbage collection. Reference counting. This method maintains a count of references to each object. When the reference count drops to 0, the object is considered garbage and can be collected. However, reference counting can have issues with circular references. Tracing garbage collection. This method involves tracing references from roots to objects, marking reachable objects, and then reclaiming memory occupied by unreached objects. Common algorithms include the mark and sweep algorithm and the generational garbage collection algorithm. Generational garbage collection. Many modern garbage collectors use a generational approach, dividing objects into different generations based on their age. New objects are allocated in a young generation, and only objects that survive multiple garbage collection cycles are promoted to an older generation. This approach takes advantage of the observation that many objects have short lifetimes. Stop the world events. During garbage collection, some collectors may induce a stop the world event, temporarily halting the execution of the program to perform garbage collection safely. While this can affect application responsiveness, modern collectors aim to minimize the duration and frequency of stop-the-world events. Garbage collection in Java. Java is a language that employs automatic garbage collection. The Java Virtual Machine, JVM, includes a garbage collector responsible for reclaiming memory. The JVM's garbage collector, such as the hotspot garbage collector,